All right, man. I'm over here in Silver Springs, Florida. I'm gonna try and take some pictures and some GoPro footage, and then I'll make a little video and put it. I suggest it. It's like 25 bucks, and you got a whole day out here, and it is gorgeous. Check it out. Look at the bird right there. People, this is so gorgeous, so peaceful. If you ever get a chance and you're near Ocala, Florida, go to Silver Springs State Park. Just well, look. I've already seen gators and birds and turtles and manatees, and it's a shame that, me and another gentleman were just talking, people go all over the world trying to see beauty, and it's right here at home, man. Look at this. And by the way, this is where Tarzan was filmed, and then several other movies. But yeah, if you get a chance, you gotta come check this out.